Nick Rutter from McKees37.com. With me today in the Trademark Garage, Yvan Lacroix.
Pleased to be here.
We have the World Traveler. Yvan teaches detailing classes across the world.
Yeah.
When your specialty is efficiency, right?
Making detailers efficient, profitable, and higher quality.
So all the strengths that all detailers should have.
Exactly.
To make a good living.
Right. And I actually wanted to do this video because this is a very interesting product. You know, McKee's, I found out, is a problem-solving company.
We are.
Yeah. They have different things that you don't see anywhere else. And this is one of them. You're actually the genesis behind this.
As I am for everything.
Yeah, exactly. But the story behind this, go for it.
Well, this is our 2020 Cockpit Glass Cleaner. And the first thing you're going to think of when you hear a glass cleaner is a spray.
Right.
Or an aerosol in a big bottle. What this is this is actually like a glass cleanser. So I had a Subaru WRX that I bought brand new.
Yep.
Those are made in Japan. I brought it home, polished the paint, cleaned the interior, made it look perfect.
Yeah.
But the back window, there was this film on the interior, and nothing I had in my arsenal worked.
Exactly.
So I called my chemist. I said, listen, develop something, some kind of lotion, a cream, that you spread on, and that will dry to a haze. And my thought was, when it dries to a haze, when you wipe it, whatever chemical's in here, it attaches itself
Exactly.
to the contaminants, and it pulls it right off. And that's exactly what this does.
And you can also see when you have it off.
Yes, you can.
Yeah.
You can. So it's
No streaks.
there's no streaks. It leaves the glass perfectly clear. So this works on mystery film, like on my Subaru.
Yeah.
Dog slobber, smoker's film, a new car, the plastic outgases.
Exactly.
Takes care of that, like on the windshield.
Yeah.
And for this Corvette, this is a case of, 40-year-old glass or 35-year-old glass.
It's a 1970s. It's a little older than that.
Oh wow, see, it's 2020 already, so 50-year-old glass.
Yeah.
Holy smokes. So it's just dirty. It hasn't been deeply cleaned because this takes care of what a regular spray-on glass cleaner
Yeah.
is not strong enough to.
And here, I don't know if we can see it on camera, but there's some like glue residue as well. It's, funky.
Yeah, the clarity just isn't there.
Right.
So besides the glue residue, there's fingerprints that have been there for God knows how long.
Exactly.
Probably since the 80s.
Yeah.
And this is going to take care of all that.
Excellent. And those of us that occasionally will drive with the arm up on the side here, if you're in Florida, people wear suntan lotion. It's incredible.
Yes.
Yeah, and that sticks to glass, and it's a pain to remove.
It is. A spray-on glass cleaner is not going to take care of that.
No, exactly.
But this will. So what you do with this, Yvan, is
Yep.
we've already used the spray-on cleaner.
Yep.
We used our crystal vision to take off the loose dirt and contaminants.
Right.
And you shake this up. And it works best when you apply with an applicator pad, whether it's microfiber or in this case, a terry cloth.
Yes.
This has a more aggressive stout fiber.
Right.
So it engages the cleaners a little bit better. So it takes off the contaminants. You shake it up. You apply some to the applicator pad.
Mm-hmm.
It's a creamy white color. Close the lid. And set this aside. And all you do is you apply it almost as if you were applying a wax.
So little circular motions,
Yeah, I like circular because I feel it does a better job cleaning.
bit of pressure.
A little bit of pressure, yet. It smells good,
Yeah.
like all of our products. There's no harsh solvents.
Tint safe?
Factory tint, yes.
Okay.
Or if it's really high quality. So if you read the label on the bottle, and this needs to haze over for a minute.
So I'll
this is
read the
perfect.
label while it's hazing over.
Yep, and I wrote the directions.
Okay.
So if you flip it over here,
Yeah. So McKee's 37 Cockpit Glass Cleaner is a gentle, non-abrasive chemical cleaner that is designed to remove stubborn films that develop on the interior glass of everyday driver. When a spray-on glass cleaner isn't enough, reach for McKee's 37 Cockpit Glass Cleaner. This high-tech cleaner works on a microscopic level to gently remove hazy films created by cigarettes, vinyl, plastic outgassing, pet slobber, greasy fingerprints, and anything that a conventional spray-on glass cleaner will not remove.
that sounds really good.
Yeah. Hey, you're a good writer. Directions. Do not use on tinted windows. There's my answer.
And we'll pause there.
Yeah.
The reason it says that is because on old tinted windows,
Right.
the action of rubbing a lotion
Exactly.
will damage the tint.
Yeah.
So to avoid phone calls, do not use on tinted windows. But if it's factory tint or it's an aftermarket tint that's in good shape,
Yeah.
there's no problems at all.
Right. Protect surrounding materials from accidental spills. Do not apply on a hot surface. Very good. Working in a small area at a time, 12 by 12 square inch. You went a little larger than that.
I've used it a few times.
Yeah. Apply a quarter-sized dollop of cleaner directly on your microfiber or terry cloth applicator pad. Rub in a circular motion until a haze develops. Wait 1 minute before removing the cleaner with a microfiber towel.
It's not bad for a 4th grade education, huh?
There you go. Hey, you
Kidding.
You probably got, what, 80% in your
Yeah, most of it.
Yeah.
All right, so it's been a minute.
Yeah.
I've got a clean microfiber towel. I'm using a low pile flat weave.
Right.
A thick towel is not the best for wiping off this kind of product. And what I'm going to do is I'm not going to wipe it with big, long motions. I'm going to take little bitty bites out of it.
So again, basically the same circular motions that we did before.
Correct, yeah. And by doing it this way, you're ensuring that you uniformly remove it without smearing anything around. And when you do start to wipe it off, if it's smeary at all, it's because it hasn't dried long enough. So just give it a few more minutes. And then you want to flip the towel often because when you're wiping off the residue, with the residue comes whatever contaminants were on the glass.
Right.
So if you don't flip your towel, you're smearing it around.
Yeah.
So flip your towel often.
And generally speaking, you're not applying it to just one window. So you have the time to apply it to all the windows on the vehicle, and by the time you've applied it to all those windows, you can come back and remove.
Exactly. You can already see the clarity. Looks much better. That stain has been removed.
Definitely.
Flip my towel again.
Now it can be used on the outside as well, not just the inside?
You can do it on the outside too, yep. We actually have an abrasive glass polish for the outside.
Okay.
Because typically the outside, the inside of your car never gets hit by a sprinkler.
No.
The outside will.
Yes.
Plus the outside is exposed to the airborne elements, contaminants.
Right.
So you need something with a little more cut.
Okay.
Which this has no cut. So now the inside of the glass, the clarity's been restored. It did not require any heavy rubbing or buffing.
No, exactly.
No elbow grease. That's it.
Yeah, excuse me.
That's a nice cup you have there.
Yeah, thank you. A little dry throat there.
Yeah, I hear you. I'm parched as well.
Yeah. So
Good thing lunch is coming soon.
very good. So 2020 Cockpit Glass Cleaner, a problem solver.
It is a problem solver. When a regular spray-on cleaner is not cutting it, pun intended,
Yeah.
use this. It's going to take care of all the film, whether it's dog slobber, if you smoke 2 or 3 packs of cigarettes a day, or if you detail someone's car that smokes cigarettes.
Yeah. When I first bought my bus, the previous owners were passionate chain smokers.
Oh, wow.
So this would have been
They're my ideal customer.
This would have been great. I actually replaced the glass. It was that bad.
It was that bad.
Yeah.
Too bad you didn't have this.
Exactly.
Could have saved you that. So
Thanks a lot, Nick.
Thank you.
Now, how do people get a hold of us?
McKees37.com, and make sure you click the subscribe button.
The subscribe button and that little bell, because the little bell tells you when he uploads a new video.
And we make a lot of videos, and they're all as entertaining as this one. So thank you for the support. Nick Rutter for the McKees 37 Trademark Garage. Let's get some lunch.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.